Having WhatsApp unknown calls not ringing on iPhone? Let's fix it in 1 minute. Open Control Center and ensure Do Not Disturb is off. Go to Settings, open Focus, and verify calls are allowed or disable focus modes. Open iPhone Settings, go to Notifications, find WhatsApp and enable sounds and banners. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings then Notifications, and enable in-app call alerts and sounds. Check sounds and haptics, raise the ringtone volume and enable change with buttons if needed. Now before test, place an unknown call to your iPhone and listen for no ring. Apply the fixes live by toggling the settings we just adjusted so notifications are allowed. After changes, test another unknown call. You should hear a clear ringtone this time. If problems persist, update WhatsApp from the App Store or reinstall the app to refresh permissions. Quick recap. Disable Do Not Disturb, allow WhatsApp notifications, check in-app call sounds and iOS volume. That's it, your unknown WhatsApp call should now ring. Subscribe for more quick fixes.